Join us on Sunday, the 19th of September at the Assembly Festival Gardens in Coventry for a day of free events for all the family, celebrating the richness and wonder of our city's languages and stories. We've got loads going on: interactive games, workshops, performances, films and talks. So come along and design your own language slogan t-shirt or learn Chinese in 40 minutes. Watch a series of curated short film screenings or hear from our experts on how Coventry's accent has changed over time. Pot a plant, make an origami house, learn to weave, listen to others' stories, and if you wish, share your own. It will be fascinating, and there really is something for everyone. And best of all, it's free. So come and join us on Sunday, the 19th of September between 11 a.m. and 7 p.m. at the Assembly Festival Gardens. See you there.